Here we take a straw, and here we have made a chair, and we're placing a pig on that chair as shown here. Let us make another group of flowers, and this is also made very simply using 2 or more straws. Here we roll it around a tube, then we can join it like this and we convert it into flower. Here we take a straw, then we make it like square and it is joined together, and finally we can make a spectacle or glass from straws. So that's all. Now we are weaving straws. We weave it, and you should weave it like shown in this video, and then only it will become a decorative thing and you can join them together. It is ready to be placed on your decorative articles.